Welcome to episode 4 of Jason Builds a Cabin.
We're gonna rescrew all these screws, and then we put a new door in that's smaller and better, so we can put a bunker. We are done installing the door. We just need it to have a lock and a second lock. And now we're going to fix this hole in the side of the wall next to the door. We roughed out our first hole for the first window. We had to saw a hole in the wall so we could add a new window, and now we gotta do the other one.
Here's the scary electrical that was in the cabin. Now the new wiring is done. As you can see, we have hung quite a bit of drywall and insulation. This will help keep the cabin warm and quiet.
I got the last drywall screw in. Now it's time for mud. Now that we got the drywall up and the first layer of drywall mud, I just need to fix this trim. We got a lot done in this episode. Stay tuned for episode 5, flooring and painting.